So we started a company named Vegito Farms. So this is like Maharashtra Startup Week photo. This was the first meeting at Lloyd Group. He was the MD of Lloyd Group, and that is the photo in his cabin that we clicked over there. And then I started a company named Vegito Farms. Now, इथे दिसायला खूप छान दिसतंय. Poster is very good. It's like an agri-tech supply chain. ऐकायला खूप छान वाटतं. But what exactly it was? It was, आम्ही शेतात जायचो. We used, so खुडायचं माहिती आहे ना, we just pluck fruits and vegetables from the farms, pack it, and take our own vehicles and deliver it to the customers. That was a B2C business that we started in Corona period. And meanwhile, along with that, we also started to sell this product to B2B business. For example, Big Basket, Ninja Cart, Amazon. या सगळ्यांना पण विकणं चालू केलं. Within 3 months, we clocked a revenue of 40 lakh rupees. Just within 3 months, at zero capital from home. I guess माझे आई वडील इथे बसलेले आहेत. त्यांना विचारू शकता की घरून किती पैसे घेतले होते. It was 0 rupees. Taking the credit from farmer, selling it to the buyers. They paid around 5 days. आणि 5 दिवसानंतर फार्मरला द्यायचं. You get a 10 days of lead cycle. It was a zero capital business that we started. Clocked a revenue of 40 lakh rupees. Was going very good. But again, a failure. And what was the failure? Any guess? Any guess from the audience? So it is not at all a very easy journey to get into business or startup. But while going through this, you should have 2 supports in your life. One is your parents, and second is your friends and family. माझ्याकडे 2 खूप मोठे सपोर्ट होते. One was my parents, माझे आई वडील, and second was my 2 very buddies who helped me in the entire journey of the Revamp Moto or the startup that I am building. हे एक असणं खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. हे कोणी सांगत नाही बिझनेस स्टार्ट करण्याच्या वेळेस. इफ यू हॅव दिस 2 moral supports by you, for sure your startup is going to be successful. Everyone know this vehicle, right? So basically the journey of Revamp Moto started from here. So second year of engineering, I started with the Baha vehicle, built the automotive terrain vehicles, got first prize over there. मग Baha vehicles 2 वर्ष बनवले, but got to know that we are still 5 years back. तिथे Elon Musk बसलेला आहे, टेस्ला गाड्या बनवतो, तो विकतो आहे. We are sitting over here and playing on the petrol and diesel engines. Why? So the question arose was in the 4th year of engineering, why can't we build electric vehicles? Now for sure getting into 4-wheelers is difficult for just a startup or a project purpose, but getting into 2-wheeler is somewhere bit that we can crack because we have already built vehicles before. And that is where the inspiration came first from the Tesla, Elon Musk, and from India as well. You know the popularly known Ather bikes or Top Motors, right? So Ather guys, if we see the same journey that they had is coming from an automotive student competitions. They took the project into commercialization and they have their vehicles on the road. Similar was the case with us that we too are building the vehicles, why not take into the roads? So that is where the startup journey and the startup kida went into the mind. That was in the 4th year. When I switched between 3 stuffs. First of all, IIT मध्ये जायचं स्वप्न होतं. सो घरच्यांना पण वाटायचं IIT बॉम्बेमध्ये जावं. गेटचा क्लास लागला. अँड गेटचा क्लास मी 10 दिवस केला, सोडून दिला. देन ते भूत चढायला लागला की ऑल ऑफ द पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर मास्टर्स. UK, Germany, USA, Buffalo, Texas, खूप मोठे मोठे नाव ऐकायला लागले. I also got into the same trap. Prepared for the A1, A2 level of German. Was about to go for Germany and then decided कि नहीं, what you will be doing over there something extraordinary, nothing. It is the same, you will go for masters, get a good job, stay there for 5-10 years, come back and again do a job. Are you doing something extraordinary over there? No. If I wanted to do that, I can do it in Nasik, I can do it in India. That is what I decided, and I got a very good partner with me. His name is like Pankaj. Right now he is working in Simple Energy. So that he and I decided that no, let's do something different. Let's create an electric motorcycle, one of its kind in India, and like people will be shocked to see such vehicle in the Indian market. आता हे खूप inspirational वाटेल, पण मी त्याच्या पुढची पण स्टोरी सांगतो. So started the first company called Nikola Motors back in 2018 or 2017. Nikola coming from the name Nikola Tesla. Tesla घेतलेलं होतं आम्ही, Nikola घेऊन टाकलं. So started with the first company. This was our nights, how we built that first electric motorcycle. आम्ही रात्रीच्या 12-2 वाजेपर्यंत कॉलेजलाच राहायचो. our college was very supportive enough that you stay overnight, but you build your vehicles, you do something good, we will sponsor you as well. आणि आमच्या घरचे सपोर्टिव्ह होते की तू रात्री लेट जरी आला तरी दरवाजा उघडा, येऊन झोपून खाऊन झोपून घे. So this used to be our journey. On the contrary, that people used to enjoy the academics, cultural events, all this stuff. We 8 to 10 guys were like, no, we want to build something very unique, very inspiring in India. So this used to be our journey. And the first impression of it was these vehicles, starting from electric cycle, electric scooter, electric trike. असे projects आम्ही 4th year मध्ये reflect करणं चालू केलं. But got to know this is not what the market is expecting, right? Then we built this first electric motorcycle named Nikola 1.0. If I say the specs, you will be even shocked right now. This vehicle can be charged within 12 minutes, has a top speed of 100 kmph, and has a range of 120 kilometers on a single charge. Now this vehicle was built back in 2019. One of its kind in India. Even right now there is as such no vehicle which can be charged within 10 or 12 minutes. But what was the problem? But again, everything has some problem in it. आता आम्हाला वाटलं की अरे प्रोडक्ट तो खूप चांगला आहे, चला लेट्स गेट फॉर अ स्टार्टअप जर्नी. आम्ही गेलो, उड्या मारायला लागलो, अँड वी वेंट अँड आस्क्ड फॉर 12 crores इन जस्ट फर्स्ट सिंगल राउंड. आम्हाला माहीत नव्हतं. वी जस्ट यूज टू हिअर न्यूज ऑफ $1 million, $2 million fund raising. I guess Harsh can tell you that there are like big news coming in of millions of dollars coming into the EVs. The same was there. So we thought yes, $1.5 million. आम्ही एवढे पैसे इथे लो आणि बिझनेस स्टार्ट होणार. But what happened? But the thing happened is, we went to the Maharashtra Startup Week. So as said by, I guess, Lalitji, there are a lot of programs from government of Indian government from Maharashtra wherein you can start the entrepreneur journey. One of them was Maharashtra Startup Week in 2018-19, wherein we participated in it. We got selected in the district level. We were selected for the final rounds in Nagpur. We went over there. We pitched the idea to them. And they told ki, अरे ही गाड़ी चालणारच नाही आहे. How can you make such vehicles? Tata Mahindra is not able to do it. How are you doing it? There are the Evo bikes lying in the market, ज्यांची 50-60 किलोमीटरच्या वरती तर रेंज पण नाही, आणि तू कसं काय 100 किलोमीटरची रेंज म्हणू शकतो? No, this is shit. It is not going to work in the market. आम्ही तिथे थोडं डिमोटिवेट झालो. Then we went to the IIT Bombay E-Summit. So IIT Bombay E-Summit is one of its kind event in India, wherein like a lot of entrepreneurs come over there, even good founders come over there for speaker session, and you have some investor network over there. We went over there and we asked like 12 crores पाहिजे. This is a seed round of valuation. 100 crores आमचा valuation आहे, आमचा product आहे, and this is our team. He's like, what is your background? We told 4th year mechanical engineers. He was like, seriously? He was like, तुम्हाला काही background आहे का गाड्या build करण्याचा? Are you expert in it? Do you have any automotive background in place? Then we realized that building a bike is not at all that easy. This vehicle, if I tell you that this charges within 12 minutes, but you have to pay 4 lakh rupees for it, none of you is going to pay 4 lakh rupees just for 12 minutes of charging. Now that was the problem of this technology and this product. So we decided that let's come back foot, let's see it on the whiteboard, what is exactly going to work in the market, and then go into the startup journey. And meanwhile also take a automotive experience. So I and Pankaj, we very specifically chose Mahindra, just gave one interview, got selected. The location was Nasik, beautiful for us because the journey was like Sakali Mahindra, Sandhyakali college. Ashi आमची journey होती in our college days, in our job days as well. Monday to Friday, Saturday Mahindra, Saturday, Sunday, 12 hours college. We used to build the vehicles. That used to be our journey in the job days as well. We started iterating कि काय बनू शकतो. As said by I guess Om Prakash ji, we started with retrofitting. In the retrofitting, if you see in the electric vehicle space, it is most affordable for the person who is using it to tremendous extent. So let's say he is using 400 kilometers daily. One of them was the rickshaw guy. So rickshaw guys use it for at least 100 to 150 kilometers every day, and he spends 500 rupees on petrol every day. We saw that market, that we can tap this market. I guess there is again a huge potential lying into the retrofitting business as well. I will just like to intimate it to everyone. But what happened at that point of time is we started building a retrofitting kit. We even retrofitted a rickshaw with an electric powertrain. But the problem was the cost. Cost was coming up to 60,000 rupees. 60 to 70,000 rupees for retrofitting. Now, what happens is in the market survey, you go and you tell की ही गाडी तुम्ही घेणार का? सगळे हो बोलतात. आता पण विचारलं, रिवॅम्प मित्रा किती जण घेतात? सगळे हो म्हणणार. But if I tell you that give me 1,000 rupees of booking amount, no one will give. That is the harsh reality of the market. So we asked rickshaw guys, will you pay for this? They said, no, we have LPG kit of 15,000. ज्याच्यात मला फक्त 200 रुपये लागतात. Why should I buy a kit of 60,000 rupees? That was a problem there in 2019. त्याला certification नव्हतं, subsidies नव्हत्या. Then after retrofitting, we went into two-wheeler retrofitting, Splendor retrofit केली. No, that is again not a market. People say मला 60,000 नवीन Chinese vehicle येते, मी का retrofit करू 50,000? After that, we started folding scooter, micro mobility scooter. If you know micro mobility scooter in airports or intra-campus, it's a very huge business again lying in. People want, then we went to the investor again. He said, हे काय खेळणं बनवून ठेवलं? हे खेळणं कोणी विकत नाही घेणार. What are you doing exactly the value addition in this business? Then we realized that a very critical thing of starting a startup is the product market fit and market research before exactly going into the market. So that is what we also thought, and we again said back. We decided that let's not get into the messy thing of urging up into going into the startup. So we started providing services, that is design services, to a lot of companies. So one of the project was for Lloyd Electronics. So we designed an entire rickshaw to them, and we sold it for like I guess 10 or 15 lakh rupees on the loyalty basis. Now that was the first thing when we got to know that yes, we can execute the entire project. Again went to the IIT Bombay A Summit, and again we pitched some of the idea, but we failed very badly. At that point of time, I was like 6 months, 7 months of experience with Mahindra. It was December or January. That was a period of getting into the permanent thing of Mahindra, that you have to give an interview if you want to get a permanent job. My co-founder at that time particularly had a very weak financial condition at his home, so he couldn't take the startup ahead. But माझ्या अंगातला तो startup किडा काय जाणारा नव्हता. So what I decided is let's keep the electric vehicle space. It's very messy and tricky right now. Let's get into some another space which I am comfortable, and there is a market opportunity right now. And that was at the time of Corona period. It was agri-tech. So we started a company named Vegito Farms. So this is like Maharashtra startup week photo. This was the first meeting at Lloyd Group. He was the MD of Lloyd Group, and that is the photo in his cabin that we clicked over there. And then I started a company named Vegito Farms. Now, इथे दिसायला खूप छान दिसतंय. Poster is very good. It's like an agri-tech supply chain. ऐकायला खूप छान वाटतं. But what exactly it was? It was आम्ही शेतात जायचो. We used so खुडायचं माहिती आहे ना. We just pluck fruits and vegetables from the farms, pack it, and take our own vehicles and deliver it to the customers. That was a B2C business that we started in Corona period. And meanwhile, along with that, we also started to sell this product to B2B business. For example, Big Basket, Ninja Cart, Amazon. या सगळ्यांना पण विकणं चालू होतं. Within 3 months, we clocked a revenue of 40 lakh rupees. Just within 3 months, at zero capital from home. I guess माझे आई वडील इथे बसलेले आहेत. त्यांना विचारू शकता की घरून किती पैसे घेतले होते. It was 0 rupees. Taking the credit from farmer, selling it to the buyers. They paid around 5 days. आणि 5 दिवसानंतर फार्मरला द्यायचं. You get a 10 days of lead cycle. It was a zero capital business that we started. Clocked a revenue of 40 lakh rupees. Was going very good, but again a failure. And what was the failure? Any guess? Any guess from the audience?